Hi everybody, Chris here with potsandpans.com. If you're like me and have a lot of everyday cooks on your holiday gift giving list, you're looking for really unique, high quality products that won't break your budget. To that end, I've gathered 6 ideas here that'll be great gifts for you that all come in under $100 from potsandpans.com. Let's check them out. First up, we have this Analon Accolade twin skillet set. We've got an 8-inch and 10-inch skillet here. This is made from pressure forged hard anodized aluminum, so it's super durable, but it also has a sapphire reinforced nonstick, and that's 16 times better food release than normal nonsticks. So you're getting a great dynamic duo of durability and great food release, easy cleanup. Now the holidays are all about big get-togethers and one-pot meals, all kinds of great smorgasbord kind of things. For that, you're gonna want something like the 7-quart Analon Advanced Dutch Oven. So this comes in a square pan profile, which gives you 27% more space for better searing and browning. So if you're doing anything like short ribs or a pork tenderloin, you're gonna want something like this. It has a great capacity. Also, it's metal utensil safe, non-stick, and you have these Analon Sure Grip handles. So when you're going from the stove to the oven, it's easy handling and just a great one-pot solution. So I'm sure everybody has that really creative home chef on their gift giving list that seems to have just about everything. I bet they don't have this. It's the Analon Advanced 2-step meal set. On the bottom, you have a 7-quart roaster. The lid also doubles as an 11-inch grill pan. So you can put your short ribs right in the grill pan, then into the roaster along with your vegetables, a little bit of wine or braising liquid, and then right into the oven where this is heat safe to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Now for all the bakers on your list, you're gonna wanna check out this Aisha 10-piece bakeware set. You've got 2 different cake pans, 2 round cake pans, a loaf pan, 2 cookie pans, and a cooling rack. What's really great about this Aisha bakeware is the diamond embossed surface. It gives you enhanced browning and great even baking all the way through. Now if you're looking for versatility in your cookware, you're gonna wanna take a look at this Circulon Symmetry 5.5-quart casserole with a colander lid. Colander lid is built-in straining lid, so if you're doing pastas or vegetables, steaming vegetables, you can pour that right out without having to have an extra pan in the kitchen. This also has Circulon's total non-stick system, which lasts 10 times longer than regular non-sticks. So it's a really great versatile solution for the everyday cooks on your list. Now for really great quality and value combined, look no further than the Farberware Glide 12-piece cookware set. You're getting all the essential cookware pieces, and they all feature the copper slide non-stick technology that gives you 90% better food release than other ceramic non-sticks. That's 12 pieces, a full cookware set, all for under $100. For more great gift ideas, check out #GourmetGiftGuide on social media.